Well, good morning and welcome to Vlogmas Day 20. Yes, it is December 20th, Tuesday. It is 45 degrees. It's going to get up to 53, and tomorrow's going to be apparently just like this. We do have a little bit of sun. Whoops. Let me turn. So some sunshine coming through. So maybe we'll get some sun today. Looks maybe like that. So it is time for coffee. So let's get to the calendar for coffee. Today is day 20. It's down here in the corner. It is s'mores. Ooh, that sounds good. Let's pop this little puppy in and hit the go button. I've already got my warmed almond milk ready. Have that, and I've got my breakfast ready, which is a couple of scrambled eggs and 2 pieces of cheese toast. I think I'm gonna do this later today. I made these last year on one of my Vlogmases. It's where I make these little dog treats. And I do need pumpkin though. I've got to go get a can of pumpkin. It's on my list. I've got a list of stuff I have to get today. So yeah, so that's what I know I have to do so far. I'm thinking of, after having breakfast, because I'm like really hungry this morning, of going ahead and going to the pool and getting that done since I walked yesterday. And the cold is not being nice to my hips at all. Yesterday, and I think maybe that's what was wrong with me last night. I can't believe I screwed up the little prank I was trying to play on Patrick. I just completely forgot to put the pine cone in there. I'll have to get him though. So yeah, so I don't know what I was even saying. I just got sidetracked. So yeah, I was so tired because I had only slept 2 hours the night before. So I went to bed early last night and slept in late this morning. So hopefully I'm caught up and I'll feel a bit better. Do have a bit of a headache. Probably, I know our pollen has been really, really bad here. So, all right, I'm going to turn you off and sit down and eat, do some red light therapy, and watch a couple of videos, and then I will join you later. Well, I am here at the pool and I have it all. Yay. And we've got the sun shining. Adjust the light again. Here it is. I've got my fins ready and I'm going to get after it. I'll see you in a little while, probably in the sauna. We are sitting outside on the patio because it's so nice. And in a couple of days, we've got today and tomorrow. And then it's going to get really cold for a few days. So they won't want to come out here and sit on the patio. So, or take their baths outside, as Chico is apparently doing it. Oop, there she goes. She heard something. What'd you hear? What'd you hear? What'd you hear, Chico? What'd you hear? Nothing? Okay. Oop, there's June. Chihuahuas! June. Oh, there she is. She's over there. June. Santa Baby's got it. Santa Baby's got your treat. There's for her. And there's for her. Him and her. Oh, geez. I can't even say him and her right now anymore. All right. Part of this kind of cut off. Had a little malfunction with the camera.
New time for new phone.
I know. I have an older phone. There's my wine. It was a Chardonnay, undivided, which I've had many times. So, cheers. All right, we're picking up where we left off. Santa Baby. All right.
New phone.
Get your... I know. But what do I get?
That phone sucks.
What do I get?
A rotary dial phone. They work.
Oh.
Yeah, I need to work on that this next week. German style Pilsner.
Pilsner. All right.
I feel buttocks coming on shortly here. Actually, no.
Oh, okay. All right. Well, my
Because
friend.
German beer, man, you got to watch that. Because that can
Yeah.
be some straight up buttocks there.
Yeah.
But, no, it's not bad.
Not bad. Good. Okay.
Yeah,
It's a
actually,
keeper
yeah.
for today. Okay. Well, my friend Aurelia, she her channel is Aurelia Martinez, and she's originally from Texas, and she wanted to know if you've ever tried Shinerbach.
You know what? I have never. I've heard a lot of good things about it, but
Eric's bought Shinerbach.
Yeah,
before.
I haven't. I'll be honest with you, I have not. But yeah, I mean, I've not heard any. Bad about
Wouldn't it? Okay, here, there's a lot of Texas beers. Wouldn't that be a good advent calendar? Texas beer advent calendar.
It's got to be better than this one. I'm just saying, man. You know, I mean, like this one. You know, I mean, there's been maybe 3 or 4 that weren't bad, but the rest of them just like, you know. But and, you know, they're all brewed differently. It depends on where they come from and stuff like that. So, I mean, you know, a lot goes into that. There's so many different beers and stuff, and it just depends on your taste.
Yeah.
A lot of people probably like that, and that's cool. Hey, you know, salute. You know, you do you. You know, but I think they taste like buttocks. So
Okay.
there you go.
Well, I need to reach out for next year, maybe even in the summer ahead of time, to Rockwall. Beer Geeks.
Yeah, I mean,
And see if they will put together an advent calendar, a beer advent calendar. But
well,
then,
she's on IG.
yeah, and they do all kinds of different stuff as well too. So
Well, I got all kinds of stuff. Yeah, just you know.
yeah, see if she would do one.
Yeah. I mean, you know, it's worth asking.
Yeah.
You know? So,
Exactly.
Yeah, they get all kinds of different ones. That's for sure. Do you follow her on IG?
Yes, I do.
Okay, cool. Just reach out
She
to her.
has great.
Tell her who you are, and that way.
Oh yeah, she has. We're talking about Beer Geeks, and this is Patrick's cousin in Rockwall, which is how many miles away?
So I saw those like Dallas.
Other side of Dallas, and but they have a
30, so.
beer specialty shop.
Get that.
Beer specialty shop, is that what you would call
Yeah,
it?
yeah, they're in downtown Rockwall. Rockwall's like east of Dallas. I mean, it's just we're all connected anymore. It's things like LA anymore around here. But yeah, and it's an old school downtown setting and stuff. You know, old buildings and stuff like that. And so she had like an antique deal in a shop down there, and they shut that down and started this. And yeah, that's a player. I mean, it's really big. So
Yeah.
if you're on IG, look her up. It's Beer Geeks.
Beer Geeks, yeah.
It's good.
So, all right. What did I get? I got chocolate.
Yeah.
I got a chocolate
whatever.
shell.
Yeah, thing.
As long as there's no creature in there, I'm fine with shells. Okay.
Yeah, pretty much.
I need cheese, Santa baby.
Cheesies. Wheezies. That's chocolate. Where's cheesies? You're right.
Right there.
Been a day, sorry.
I know. How many miles did you do today?
Jeez, I don't know. Jeez. I don't remember what it is down to,
Wacko.
yeah. It's a minute.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
he was in the car most of the day. And I showed you just a few minutes ago the clip from my friend Nancy Rounds, who won that little giveaway. And she did a shout out to me and to Mr. Big Guns. Mr. Big Guns. Hey, but mine are big. My guns are getting big too, so.
You're good, man. You are.
Thank
really
you,
are.
swim fins.
Dad, you got to understand that's a lot of resistance, and I mean, that's as much as resistance as you get off one of the machines or something like that.
Well, the thing is, I haven't figured out in the pool how to really work the triceps. So what I'm really doing in the pool is biceps, chest, and shoulders. So when I finished, I went
All you
out.
gotta do is have it, with the, fins on, and here's your handle and everything, and then go to the deepest part where it's not too much for you and everything, and just,
Oh, okay.
that's gonna be pure try.
Well, then I
Try.
am doing it. Okay, because when I'm walking, I'm doing this sometimes, and I'm going backwards with it. So is that getting the tries? Okay, all right. But then I went out and I did the try machine again.
I was
and
gonna
I'm,
say, yeah.
And I'm doing 110 on the try machines for 3 reps of 15.
Yeah, so that.
So, okay.
Yeah.
Trying to get that jiggle out. Okay.
Yeah.
What do we have today?
I'm gonna rejoin up there. I need to do that.
We have Gouda.
Gouda,
Just plain Gouda?
not Buddha.
Not Buddha, but Gouda.
Gouda. Yeah.
But just no flavor, no mustard, no black pepper, no
I think you just got
Gouda.
Gouda.
straight up Gouda. Okay. All right. All right. Let's try. All right. Here we are. All right, so this is the end of December 20th. Now, tomorrow morning is that was cold.
Somebody's got to do it.
Tomorrow morning is going to be kind of special. I am meeting up with the last winner of my giveaway, Debbie, because she doesn't live that far from me. So we're going to meet for coffee, and I'm going to ask her if she'll let me film part of that. I don't know if she will or not, but I'm going to ask her.
Is she a tuber?
No.
Oh, okay.
She does not have a channel, but she's been a subscriber of mine for a little while. So we're going to meet up and have coffee and have a nice visit. I'll ask her. I would not even think about doing it unless I ask her, of course. And if she does, then we'll put a clip in tomorrow for that. So yes, the day is over. We have one more nice weather day tomorrow, and then the cold front comes in. I'm losing my hand here. Grip. Okay. Yeah. So the cold front is coming in on Thursday, and this is Tuesday evening. So we have one more nice day. I've got all my shopping done. So, okay, we have a little thing going on. June is teasing him and being submissive, but she'll kick his buttocks
Yeah.
in a heartbeat. Go. Let's not get. Okay. Intermission.
Really. Absolutely.
Oh, and she's fixing to get pissed now, so. All right. We will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for
you guys.
watching. Bye.
Enjoy.